Coming to question number 10, the scientific process by which crop plants are enriched with certain desirable nutrients is called crop protection, plant breeding, biofortification, bioremediation. Scientific process by which crop plants are enriched with certain desirable nutrients like vitamins, and it is biofortification. Semi-dwarf wheat was developed by knowledge-based question Norman Ibollo, M.S. Swaminathan, Weicheng and Fontana. Answer is Norman Ibollo. He is considered as father of green revolution in the world. M.S. Swaminathan in India. International Rice Research Institute IRRI is situated at New York, USA, Tokyo, Japan, Manila, Philippines, Hyderabad, India, and the answer is Manila, Philippines. This is International Rice Research Institute, whereas Indian Rice Research Institute is situated as Cuttack. We should remember that. 13th one, fungicides and antibiotics are chemicals that enhance yield and disease resistance, kill pathogenic fungi and bacteria respectively, kill all pathogenic microbes, kill pathogenic bacteria and fungi respectively. Fungicides kill fungi, pathogenic fungi. Antibiotic kill bacteria. So the answer should be B. B is the answer. Now coming to question number 14. Right. Lysine and tryptophan are proteins, non-essential amino acids, essential amino acids, all of these. Answer is essential amino acid. Let us see what are essential and non-essential amino acids. Amino acids or amino acids. Amino acids or amino acids are of two types. First one is essential amino acid and another is non-essential amino acid. Essential amino acid means we require that, so we should take it in the form of food in our diet. Non-essential means we need not take it in the form of food. It will get synthesized in our body. Coming to question number 15. The entire collection having all the diverse allele for all genes in a given crop is called gene collection, germ plasm collection and plasma collection. Answer is germ plasm collection, the first step in plant breeding process. 16th one, Saccharum barberi and Saccharum officinarum are varieties of, actually these two are the varieties of sugar, barberi in North India and officinarum in South India. Sugarcane, maize, wheat, rice. So they are the species of sugarcane. Spirulina is used to produce lots of protein in the process of SCP, single cell protein. Cyanobacteria, fungi, protozoan, brown algae. Answer is cyanobacteria.